Hey, in this video I'm going to show you how you can draw some pretty gnarly looking teeth. So we're going to start off by just making an irregular shape, something that looks like a mouth. And the technique here involves using the lasso tool to subtract. And so what I'll do is I'm holding down the shift key and I'm making teeth. And if I hit Command X, now I have teeth that are in place. And the thing about teeth, if you're looking at it head on, is you're going to see some teeth on the side, and our teeth tend to curve. I'll just go ahead and do the same thing down below. And we'll kind of insinuate that there's some teeth that are rolling in the back. And what I also like to do with this technique is add a little bit of spittle. So using the lasso tool, freeform lasso tool, you can just cut out certain areas. And yes, you could use the brush, but this is a much faster way of working. So let's see how we can apply this technique to two faces that I've created over here. Alright, so we'll first of all go in, and the funnest part is just making really crazy looking teeth. I think next to eyes, I think people tend to look at teeth. And what I like about this approach is it's very organic and very fast to create. And you can mix and match, and you can have a huge variety of different mouths for your character if you're working on the design process. So now let's look at this guy here. So maybe we'll have some even teeth over here. And we'll use some round teeth. To add that curvature. Now we've got even like a hint of the back side. And just for giggles, we'll give him some spittle. So I hope you found this technique to be useful. It's a super quick, fast technique, really fun way to develop character designs. Let me know what you think in the comments below. As always, I appreciate you sharing the video with your friends and pals. Thank you so much for subscribing, and I will see you in the next video.